Hello viewer, we are taking that shape. Here I will apply a gradient over it to make the different designs. Apply these changes here. Let's generate another one. Have some further designs. Explore another feature. We are going to create the shapes. Add a paint around it. Use the pattern stamp to cover up these holes.